What's up guys, welcome to the video. My name is Mitch and I'm part of the content creation team here at Clean Canvas, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove the Shopify powered by Shopify link from your footer on your homepage along with the password page, as a lot of people forget that it also appears there even if they do remove it from the homepage. There's going to be two methods. First one I like to use because it's very simple and it doesn't require touching any code, and then the second method just shows you where in the code you can remove it, and I'm going to go step by step. So hopefully if you do choose method number 2, it'll apply to whatever theme you're using, whether it's one of our themes or it's one of Shopify's free themes or an alternative third-party theme as well. So guys, without further ado, I'm just going to get straight into it. Alright guys, so here I am on our Showcase theme, and if I scroll down to the very bottom, just in case anyone's wondering, you're going to see here usually around this area or maybe down here your theme is going to display the information. So here we have a theme by Clean Canvas, shopping cart by Shopify. Yours might say powered by Shopify. Depending on the theme and how they script it, it'll say different things. So for ours it says shopping cart by Shopify, but for the demo I'm going to go and use our symmetry theme. It's going to say powered by Shopify, so it'll just basically be the same thing. So let's go to my admin. So here I am inside the admin. So here we are at the very bottom, and you can see Clean Canvas, Mitch Dev Store, powered by Shopify. And we're going to make sure to remove the powered by Shopify from this. So where do I want to go? So from here you can pretty much go to theme actions and click on edit languages, or if you're here you just click actions, edit languages. This is basically your translations. So if you ever want to translate something, you can use this search feature to find the word you want to translate. So for me, I want to translate powered. So now it's looking through the theme to see, okay, where is powered mentioned? So here we have powered by Shopify here, and then we have also here the storefront password. So these are the two fields I'm going to play around with today. So here I can remove everything, but if I remove everything and click save, the theme jumps to whatever the title is here. So even if I remove everything now and save, it's just going to say powered by Shopify. But if I just click space, you don't even see the text there because the space registers as a letter. So even though you won't be able to see anything, it's registering, and it's not going to display powered by. It's not going to say powered by here. So if I go to save and I go over here to my theme, as you can see, Clean Canvas Dev Store, and the powered by is removed. So that is the easiest and fastest method, and my favorite method that everyone should probably use. And the second method is going to be going into the code and removing it there. So let's jump over and show you how you can do that in your theme. Alright guys, it's a new day, so this video is going to look a little bit different to the first part, but we're still going to go through and show you how you can remove it in the code to remove the powered by Shopify and on the password page, which I'll explain a little bit as well. But the one thing I will mention right off the bat is, if you're using one of Shopify's free themes and you're not comfortable after watching this video and what I'm about to show you, then by all means you can contact Shopify support and say, hi, I'm using one of your themes, can you please remove this from the theme? Because you get 1 hour customization to your store if you're using one of their themes. If you're using a third party like ours, I'll explain that a little bit more. So for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to actions, edit code, and there's going to be two sections I'm going to open. They're going to be opened automatically, but what you can do is here you can type in footer and open up footer.liquid in the sections. That's it here. And we'll look at this one first. So now that I'm here, I'm going to control F and look for powered to help speed this up. And then here on line number 71, it might not be the same line on yours, so don't take that to be Bible, but here it says powered by link. If I just remove powered by link here and click save, that is going to remove it from the homepage. Now, the password template. This one is actually one that will be a bit different. So if I control powered, you'll see you'll get this kind of, it's not as direct. And that's because on the password page, there's a little bit more going on here. So if I'm just in expect mode, but you'll see like you'll have the text here, this shop will be powered by Shopify. And then there's also the logo, which you don't see on the regular store. So for our theme, I'm going to remove, starting here with span class, all the way down to this. where span ends. All this information in here will be removed, and I can break down a little bit, but you'll notice like create your own online store with Shopify. That's just some of the text that you might see. It's not showing there. The SVG part, that's the logo that's being pulled in. So this logo here. So if I go and I delete all of that. So from span class where it says powered by and all this information here, the link and all that, gone. And I'm just going to leave everything else. So now if I click save, I go over here, I'll go to the home page first. So scroll all the way down. We can see powered by Shopify is no longer being displayed here, and the password page. If your password page is not enabled, you won't be able to see it here. If you enable your password page, you'll be able to see in the drop down here, password page. As you can see, spread the word, share, tweet, no powered by Shopify going on here anymore. Alright guys, like I mentioned, if you're using a third-party theme and yours doesn't look exactly like this, where I'm deleting stuff, but if you can find the powered by link, you should be safe enough to remove that. But if not, you can, and if something goes wrong, you can always go here to older versions and just undo what you just did in case something bad happened. And then if you want, you could reach out to the third-party app developer, or sorry, theme developer, and just ask if they can help out with this, because they might be able to show you. They might have a different set of guides when it comes to removing this, because all themes are not the same, but they're generally the same. So this is a pretty much, you can say that I'd say 90% of the time this should all apply to every theme. But if it doesn't apply and you're not sure and you're not comfortable with the code, reach out to the theme developer and ask them if they have like a guide. Most theme developers do have guides. I've checked a few and I've found a few of them with guides in relation to removing the powered by Shopify. So if you run into any issues, you can always reach out to them. With that being said, guys, hopefully this video was helpful and showed you exactly what you needed to do. Please keep in mind, Clean Canvas is a theme developer and we create themes for the Shopify theme store. We have 7 currently on the Shopify theme store, so if you're thinking about upgrading from a free theme to a premium theme, keep us in mind. My go-to favorites are Showcase and Symmetry, and then there's also other themes like Canopy, Expression that people quite like as well. So thanks very much for watching. Consider giving a like and subscribing to the channel, as I'll be putting out more content like this revolving around updating and just creating better experiences with your Shopify store. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Have a great day.